Hi guys, it's your girl Audrey and welcome back to my mini vlog. Hanap nyo ba ng restaurant na proudly Pinoy? Especially yung bulalo na baka na may unlimited sabaw? Well, dito lang yan sa Balay Dako by Antonio's, located sa Tagaytay, Nasugbu Highway. Ang sarap at sulit ng experience. Sinundo namin ng nanay namin na OFW sa NAIA. After 12 years, finally, nakapagbakasyon na din siya. Siyempre, kailangang i-celebrate yan. Kaya dumiretso kami dito sa Tagaytay to enjoy the fresh mountain air and good food vibes. Pagdating pa lang namin, wow na agad. Ang ganda ng place, very homey, relaxing, at nostalgic. Tapos yung mga staff, super bait, laging nakangiti at attentive. Kaya extra saya yung dine-in experience namin. Sabi nga nila, mahaba daw ang pila dito, lalo na kapag weekend. Pero swerte kami, weekday kami pumunta, kaya chill lang, walang stress. And yes, medyo pricey daw, sabi ng iba. Pero promise, worth it every peso. Malalaki ang servings, ang sarap ng food, at hindi basta-basta ang presentation. Parang pang fine dining, pero very Pinoy ang puso. Plus, super accommodating ng staff, kaya talagang nakakagana kumain at magstay. Kaya kung mapadpad kayo sa Tagaytay, Nasugbu Highway, don't miss out on Balay Dako by Antonio's. I'm just so happy to celebrate this moment with our mother, her first meal back in the Philippines after 12 years. That's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. See you on my next vlog. Bye!